Hello, it's Beasley. So I'm gonna do my third random video, and it was requested by Mr. Liverlips. So that's how you spell it. And you can also click the link. Like if you click like where I wrote it, you can go to his channel. So yeah. He requested eat a handful of salt. So you can also click that to go to the video where he wrote that. So I'm not gonna eat a lot because apparently it's bad for you. So I'm just gonna do that much. I'm just gonna make sure it's salt. Oh, this is worse than the lime. Okay, okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, I'm not having any more. Okay, I'm done. I ate most of it. Okay, so yeah. By the way, Mr. Liverlips, the person who requested this, he's really awesome, so go subscribe. So, yeah. I have like a whole list of like, of things that I'm gonna be doing. Okay. So, yeah. Keep requesting, please. And, yeah. Oh, I wanted to do a shout out to a person. Hold on. That person's name is okay. His name is I don't know how to say it, but that's how you spell it. So click that to go to his channel, please. Yeah, he's really nice, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Okay. Yeah, so keep requesting. I still need more. I only have 5 right now, so I still need more. Okay, bye.